I'm going to show you why I love these paint pens. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I bought this set of paint pens. It comes in this pack of 10 right here, and I just thought I would show you that they are pretty cool looking. I like the colors. They're all a little bit muted, but one of the things that I love about this, I'm going to take out this silver one, is they are very light. They are about the size of a regular pen in width, but they are a little bit longer, and I think that's to hold as much paint as possible. But if you look at the tip right there, they kind of look like a Sharpie tip, which is pretty cool, and I think that's actually going to be pretty easy to write with, but they fit in the hand really nicely. Now, one of the things that I really need is sometimes to mark stuff that is not easily markable. This is the charging base for my air compressor battery, and it looks just like a lot of my other chargers, and sometimes I get it mixed up, so I would love to have it marked here, and it's not really easy, especially if you have just a regular pen. So what I thought I would do here is just try this paint pen on it, and I'll just write air compressor. My handwriting is not very good. Look at that, man. Writes right on there. That is paint. I didn't even have to pump this. This is the first use with this, and you can see I can write right on there just like that. So this paint pen is really useful for writing on surfaces that you would not otherwise be able to write on. From trash cans to plastic to labels to name tags, water bottles, mugs, whatever. Anything that you want to mark up that would not normally show up, you know, that would be hidden by either the color or the material. I think these make a lot of sense. So you can get them in different colors as well. I'm going to take this purple one here, and I'll write it up here too. No harm in writing it all over the place. Air compressor. Look at that. And it's in purple. Pretty cool. That's actually a pretty darn good match for the cap right there. Hey, if you want to pick up this set of paint pens and mark up everything that you need marked, I will put a link to these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.